snazzy. It's been strong for a few frames from this player. I'm all in for a three-bagger. Boom! That's a turkey. Hold on to your hats. Here's an attempt to get a ham bone. So close. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Cleaned up on that one. Trying to smack down pin 4. Yummy. Spare. Almost. Cleaning up the 8th pin. Cleared that one. Yeah! The game is on. The sight is fixed on a three-bagger. Oh, so close. Not gonna worry about it. Going on. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Good pickup. It's a strike. Continuing after awesome strike. This could end up a double. Cleaning up. Pin 9. Pickup. Strike. The game is on. A turkey would make this place go crazy. Oh, so close. Let's see how the second throw goes. Magnificent cleanup. So close. Ooh, it's hard. The 7th pin must be dealt with now. Spare. Isn't double. This player seems to be getting warmed up. This could end up a three-bagger. The 4th pin and the 7th pin must be dealt with now. Cleaned up on that one well. Oh! Continuing after some heavy-duty frames, this player is going for a three-bagger. Pin 7 to clean up. Clean up. Magnificent. This player seems to be getting warmed up. Listen to that. The crowd demands a three-bagger. Yes, yes, yes! The game is on. A four-bagger is the goal for this throw. Up in the game with a four-bagger. It's been strong for a few frames for this player. Here's a go for a five-bagger. Take long breaths now. A Bratburger would make this place go crazy. Trying to pick up a double wood. Cleaned up on that one well. Strike has landed. The last hit was very effective. This player is going for a Barney Rubble. Look at that. I hope the streak goes on. It would be crazy to see the three-bagger. Continuing with pins 6 and 7. Got sixer. A hard-earned strike. The points are soaring, but can this continue? I'm all in for a three-bagger. So close. Pin 6, waiting at the deck. Pickup. Scored a strike. The pin action on last throw was beautiful. Is it going to be Barney Rubble? Hey, it's time to dust it off. Let's do this. There's some cleaning up to do. Cleared that one. Continuing with a Rhino. The engine is running. Everyone wants to see a three-bagger. It's not easy trying to convert heavy leave. Cleaned up on that one well. Up in the game with it, Barney Rubble. Warm-up is definitely done now. The crowd demands a turkey. Up in the game with a strike. It's been strong few frames from this player. Trying to make it a home run. Ooh, it's hard. The 6th pin and the 7th pin to pick up. How did that happen? Rubble. The machine has started. I wouldn't bet my life on a three-bagger. It's a strike. Going strong. The goal for this throw can only be a ham bone. Oh, so close. There's some cleaning up to do. Pickup. Funky. This player seems to be getting warmed up. Will we see a turkey? Going strong with a strike. Nice. The engine is humming. The ham bone is the goal for this throw. Continuing with a ham bone. It's been strong for a few frames from this player. Here's a shot for a 5-bagger. Yummy. 5er. Pins are being battered like no tomorrow. This could end up in wild turkeys. Nice. I don't know about you, but I'm getting excited here. Looking for a ham turkey dinner. Nice strike. Rolling with the 7th pin. Sumptuous pickup. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Pickup. Woo-hoo! And here's how you stand out from the rest. Now, we'll see an attempt to start a streak. I wouldn't bet my life on a Barney Rubble. Pins 3 and 6 needs cleaning. Got pin 6. Yes. The game is on. The crowd demands a turkey. Look at that. Triple points at stake, trying to make it a home run. Yes! Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. I hope we'll see a 5-bagger. It's a strike! It's getting hot in here. The sight is fixed on a 6-bagger. So close. It's time to dust it off. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Spare! There's some cleaning up to do. The machine has started. A 3-bagger would be more than welcome. Yes! Ooh, the engine is humming. A home run or a total meltdown. Which will it be? Almost. The 10th pin to pick up. Cleaned up on that one. Bam! Shot a strike. Hold on to your hats. This player is going for a turkey. Nice. We are at it now. I'm all in for a ham bone. Okay, that seemed to lack some pin action. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Spare. Warm-up is definitely done now. I really hope we'll see a 3-bagger. That was less than perfect. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Cleaned up on that one. Snazzy. Excitement is growing. Here's a shot for a 3-bagger. You got this. Fixing it now. Cleaning up. Pin. 7. What a spare. Yes, yes! Going strong. The crowd demands a three-bagger. Oh, so close. The seventh pin, waiting at the deck. Sumptuous cleanup. Far out. Pins are getting a beating. Here's a serious attempt for a three-bagger. Oh, so close. Sometimes it's like this, trying to smack down 5 early. Cleaned up on that one well. The game is on. A three-bagger is in the making. Dusting it off now, continuing with the kingpin and the second pin. Spare has landed. Looking forward to this throw. A turkey is the goal for this throw. Pin set at that. Warm-up is definitely done now. For turkey or not, we'll see. 10 needs cleaning. Beautiful pickup. A double. Pins are getting a beating. I hope we'll see a three-bagger. Dusting it off now. Rolling with pin 8. Gorgeous. Cleared that one with a Barney Rubble. The points are soaring, but can this continue? This could end up a three-bagger. Going on. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Got pins 1, 2, and 4.